Hi, and welcome to this video of our takeoff from Mumbai runway 14. This is a very rare takeoff. Now, you might be aware Mumbai has two runways. Runway 0927, the main east-west aligned runway, which is 3.66 kilometers long, but it also has a separate runway, which is a northwest-southeast alignment, runway 1432, which is 2.99 kilometers long. It is not used very often, and when it is used when the main runway is out of commission, it has a lower throughput of aircraft. Many airlines also don't want to operate their wide bodies onto this runway. Anyway, long story short, my flight UK 952 took off from runway 14 the other day, and it is quite a dramatic takeoff. It's actually even more dramatic landing because you come on over Versova and all of Andheri West, and that's why it's not used by airlines so often, because of the huge population density under the approach path. Enjoy this takeoff.